Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. I'm your host with the most, WendyO. I know this is like the most random time to be streaming, but this is what we do on Sundays because self-care is important. I used to have scheduled streaming times, but on the weekends, but I kind of stopped doing those because I deserve self-care. Also, today is a very special day for me, but I'll talk about it a little bit later when I got more time. But I just wanted to hop up here and do a quick Bitcoin live stream and talk about, ooh, my hair is dusty. Talk about some interesting information first off about John Deaton about Ethereum and XRP, which we'll analyze more tomorrow. And then we're going to talk about Friend Tech because everybody's like on that bandwagon. Plus we're going to talk about Bitcoin because I'm seeing a lot of really stupid takes. So I wanted to clarify that for you guys. So first and foremost, okay? First and foremost, Bitcoin still operates on a 4-year cycle. That could change. That could change. We talked about that before though, okay? So is this Bitcoin dump natural that we're seeing? Kind of, sort of. Like we saw we were going to see some of these lower levels. It's just because Bitcoin drops to a bottom, a local bottom, doesn't mean that's the local bottom for that entire cycle, okay? These patterns take time to come to fruition. And I understand when we're kissing 15, 16K, we had FTX, Terra Luna, like all of that stuff happened. However, that was kind of the beginning of the bear market, okay? Kind of beginning. And now we have the SEC and the FTC and the CFTC, all FTC, the CF, whatever the hell. We have all these entities coming into play that could actually cause a lot of damage to our industry. And that could cause a lot more problems, and especially with all the BlackRock ETFs and stuff. So was 15,000 the bottom? I don't know, it could be. But one of the things is like a lot of people talk about market cycles and they don't know what that means. We're talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin mining is fundamental analysis for Bitcoin, okay? Just like you would use a Bloomberg terminal, you would read the stock earnings reports. That's what we use for Bitcoin. So that's important to know, especially when we're talking about the 4-year cycles. Again, 4-year cycle could be broken. We might not know. You generally don't know when it's a bear or bull until we're actually there. But that's important to first start off there. Then, 157 concurrent viewers. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Also, this is one of my favorite songs here is from Tupac with Scarface. I grew up listening to this, and yeah, it just hits differently when you come from an interesting place. But anyways, we've got some amazing people in the chat. So let me just say hello. We've got KS, AJ, Raider, Raul, Mike, Jonathan, Daniel, Living on a Prayer, Alexandria, and Jungle Walks. And we do need at least 100 likes, so stop grifting. But I want to talk to you guys about Friend Tech. So my buddies Altcoin Daily, they're on Friend Tech. And they said, has generated over $1 million in fees in 24 hours, surpassing Uniswap and Bitcoin Network. So the reason why that's relevant is because this is what's trending when we're also still in a bear market. So people are just like, oh my God, this is cool. Let's do it. And a lot of people are making some money. But I'm going to talk to you about some problematic things with it. Can you make a lot of money there? Yes. Should you try to make money? Yes. I am all for you guys making as much money as ethically as possible. However, got to be cautious. So Friend Tech is on base. And the reason why we're not seeing a whole lot of fees on Uniswap and Bitcoin Network, first and foremost, Bitcoin maximalists all want you to hold it and not do anything with it. So yeah. Also Uniswap DeFi fees are, we're still in this bear market, so nobody's really using it. So this is Friend Tech. First time when I go take a look at it, visit Friend Tech on a phone to install the app. I'm going to tell y'all right here and now. I haven't tested this thing out. I don't like that. The fact that I can't use this on my desktop or my burner laptop and it has to be on a cell phone, most people are going to get absolutely wrecked. When you use anything on your primary phone and don't know how cold storage works, you're going to get wrecked. On top of it, it's hard to move funds to and from because you have to know how to bridge. So this particular product is good for people who are tech savvy. But at the same time, if you're going to be tech savvy, you still need to use a burner phone, okay? Also, to the Friend Tech, you can buy and sell shares of you and your friends, which is really cool. But it was kind of an idea, like this is the same thing with influencers for NFTs or coins for different influencers. It's stupid. I don't like the idea. Now, buying, and then also too, some of the perks and benefits you get is that you get to, like if somebody buys your share, they get access to your inside network. Okay. So you get to like post and do stuff. Crypto Twitter for the longest time hated paid groups, but that's exactly what this is. So it's an old idea that's been revamped into something cool and trendy. So will Friend Tech do well? Will this last forever? I have no idea. It seems kind of like trendy right now, but a lot of these things end up like going away in a while. Also too, I think they're going to give an airdrop. So if you haven't tried Friend Tech, I haven't tried it either. That's okay. If you want to do it, good for you. You do have to know how to bridge. There are some big privacy concerns with it, which I won't get into terribly much on the show. And in addition to that, yeah, have fun, but understand, just because you buy a share of somebody doesn't mean it's going to continue to appreciate. So a lot of what's going to end up happening is, with the popularity dies down with this, we are going to see people get caught holding the bag. Okay. And that's okay. But just understand, it's a game of musical chairs with this. And I have no problem with it, no issue with it. Just be cautious. So I think it's a cool idea. I love to see people happy, excited about it. Base is going to be Coinbase's chain, going to have a lot of opportunities there. So just be cautious with this stuff. There's going to be a lot of meme coins launched on Base too, which is just going to be fantastic and fun, but a lot of people are going to get wrecked. So I wanted to give my 2 sats on that because I think it's important. We have 196 concurrent viewers, 73 likes. Thank you so much. No, Friend Tech is real, Nuzzle. It is real. Tupac Scarface smile. Yeah. Yeah, you bet. I grew up around some of that stuff. Not as bad as that, but that's kind of where I come from. And I'm in Southern California. I'm in Southern California, and it's been raining all day. Like, my pool is getting a little bit cuckoo, but it was good because I had a friend come over on Friday and he helped me with some of the things and made sure that things were good. And it's nice to have guy friends that help you do stuff, that whatever. So shout out to him. And he brought me flowers too. But yeah, it's been raining. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. So looking at the weather in SoCal, I promise we're going to look back at, we're going to also do Rare Evos next week. If you're going to be in Colorado, here's a little, where is it? Here's a little thing for Rare Evo. Welcome back to the O Show. This is,
She's bringing
so
her
if you guys want to go, but I'm pulling up the
everything
weather for you guys. That's what I'm doing.
Rare
If y'all want to go to Rare
Evo
Evo, me and Bitboy and Ben will be there. It'll be super fun.
Rare Evo is being held on August 24th through 26th.
I'm trying to pull up the weather for you.
Colorado,
Okay.
at the Gaylord Rockies. Buy your tickets and
yeah, tomorrow's a 40% chance of rain. And other than that, that's really it for the rain, like where I am. So today's going to rain all day and tomorrow's going to rain 40%. So cool. So shout out to everybody in SoCal. If you've been impacted by the rains, because there are some areas like the mountain areas, it's going to get a little bit crazy. So just be really careful. Don't do anything scary. Raider said, I got the gist of it. Enough for me. No thanks. Don't even want to look at it. Yeah. If Raiders, you guys, I'm telling you right now, if Raider is telling you no, if Raider is saying, no, I don't want to look at it, I would probably listen to him. Raider may or may not know his stuff. Might be pretty smart guy. Pew Pew Pum said, where do you even find Friend Tech? Is there certain coiners like NFT shares? It's kind of like NFTs, like kind of, sort of. You can look for it on Twitter. But anyways, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to use anything on my phone. But so this is what it is here. But anyways, I'm actually going to save this XRP thing for tomorrow because I don't have enough time to go through it. I'm going to send this I'm going to send this to mixing for tomorrow so that we can get this in the show. Because I harass them on the weekends. I harass everybody on the weekends because that's when I actually get a moment of like free time. So anyways, I'll put that there. All right. Let's get her back up. Gosh, golly. Hold on. We're getting the charts back up, babies. Getting the charts up. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and chart the things of the thing of your mom. All right. So this is why y'all are here. Okay. This is the current crypto market cap. We've bounced a bit. Why have we bounced a bit? Well, let's talk about it. Also, too, my dears, if you would like to use my ref link, shout out to Shadow Systems Limited for the 99 cents super chat. I appreciate you. Yes, I am shilling Femex. Yes, I think that Femex is a cool platform. I like to use it. Yes, do not keep your crypto coins on any centralized exchanges. Yes, you need to read the terms of services. But if you use my ref link, it helps support me in the channel, helps with payroll, all that stuff. So support us there. If not, that's cool too. So this is going to be the current crypto market cap. It looks like XLM Stellar is up the most. So congratulations to the Stellar community. But let's take a look at Bitcoin. This is our current Bitcoin chart. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing with Bitcoin. We had a gnarly move all the way down to 24.8, which these have been on the lines on the chart since since August 4. So if y'all know, you know. Okay. Probably before that. But let's start fresh with the naked chart. Okay. So we're going to remove the volume. Hold on. Where the hell is the volume? Okay. All right. So generally you get a bounce back up, but we hit this low area here. Well, let's start from the weekly. Let's look at this Nikki chart. All right. So if you take a look at the weekly, this isn't too terribly bad. Not too terribly bad, but it looks pretty bearish actually. Okay. Just taking a look at the weekly, it does look like we can definitely retest approximately $15,000. Okay. So it does look like this. This is what I'm seeing. And again, we just can draw a little bit of a trend line and you can see exactly kind of what's going on over there. Okay. So we see this and we can denote different areas of support and resistance. We have this area at 25.4. We've got this area here at about 21.5. And then we've got this swing, this area here at about 17.3. And again, these are not super accurate, but these would be the areas that I would look to buy. Could we in fact go lower? Yeah, 100% we can go lower. Are we going to go to like $4,000? No, I see us hitting about $21,000, but I don't know if we will retest these low areas at about 15,000. I'm not sure. Could we get a scam wick? Yes. But again, I'm not 100% sure. If we hit 10K, I would be so happy because I would be so vindicated, but we won't go there. So right now it is looking like we're losing support about $26,000. One of the things I see is we got, well, actually this could potentially show strength with a swing wick low to about $24,000. However, market cipher and MACD look pretty bearish. Now, when we take a look at the daily, that is showing a different scenario here. It looks like we've got really great range of support at approximately 26.8 resistance at 26.8 and then 25,000. Okay. So this is giving me a different scenario. And it looks like we might just kind of ping pong in this range for the rest of the week till we can get a breakout or we can get a breakdown. Okay. Is this? Oh, here you go. I don't like that. I just ate a bunch of food, so I'm getting tired too. Well, it was like keto kind of, sort of. Your mom goes to college. Your mom goes to college. Yeah, I'm like out of my mind right now. Why don't I see any of the stuff that I normally use? Why am I doing this to myself? I'm so tired. All right. So we're ranging in between approximately 25.7 and about 26.8. So about $100 range. Okay. So I kind of see us like ping ponging here. However, if we lose this low range of 25.7, we will kiss about 24.7 over here. Okay. Oh, duh. All right. So we're going to go ahead and change this color here. We're going to change it to, we'll change it to a pink for cuteness. The 12-hour chart is showing that we found a local bottom. It looks like we want to bull cross and pop up. However, our candle is currently red. And taking a look at the 6-hour chart, 6-hour chart is getting bullish, 4-hour chart confirmed, and 45-minute chart down. So this is telling me we've got a lot of market uncertainty. We're probably going to ping pong between 26.8 and approximately 25.8 here. If we break out above, we'll retest this trend line about $28,000, but we need to kind of get above about $30,000. So for this week, I'm not feeling too terribly optimistic. I think it's going to be more sideways action. That's what I think is going to happen with this week. However, when we do take a look at the Bitcoin weekly chart, it doesn't look too terribly bad. This does look like a super bad candle, but again, you see this cascade that happened here Monday, the 4th of April. 2022, we can have similar price action. Just out of curiosity, I just want to see what that price action looked like. Reset the chart. Okay. Sorry, Wendy's like all over the place. So this is that nasty cascade that we saw, and that was a 67% drop. And let's say we had another 70% drop, that would put us at 10,000. So could we hit 10,000? Yeah. Are we going to? I don't know. I hope that's not another fractal being formed, but at the same time, it could happen. Again, I'm not calling for 10K, but I wouldn't put it past it. And if 10K does hit, I will be vindicated. Who is it calling me? Oh, hold on a second. Hold on. Hello, I'm streaming. No, there was an earthquake? Oh, was there? Oh no, are you okay? Oh no, we're good. I'm streaming. I didn't feel it. Okay. Bye, friend. Bye. Okay. So apparently there was an earthquake. Take an Adderall? No, I don't take an Adderall. I don't take that up. Shout out to Edward Park. You guys, Edward Park is a longtime friend of the channel. But apparently there was an earthquake. Anyways, this is what we would see if we saw another 70. Oh, Chili Rainbow felt it. Yeah, I didn't feel it. Yikes, Jackson hole this week too. Oof. Yeah, I don't take prescription stuff like that. So this is what I'm thinking with the charts, you guys. Really quickly, I'll go over it. I got distracted. This was the really gnarly drop that we had. This happened Monday, April 4th, 2022, and it went all the way down to about Monday, the 5th of December, 2022 was a 67% correction. If we did have another 70% correction from about 32,000, which was the all-time high recently, Monday, 10th of July of 2023, down to about $9,400, then yeah, that would be a 70% correction. However, I don't know if that's going to happen or not. I for Bitcoin this week, I really just see us kind of ranging between 26.8 and about 25.8 over here. So I hope this helped you. I got to get going. I'm going to go take my daughter and my cousin to the thrift store, and I'm sending you guys love and light. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash a like, use my Femex ref link if you would like to, and you've done a due diligence, and have a great rest of your day. Please be safe, especially all my Southern California babies. Bye guys. Thank you so much for all the support.